Hello and welcome back to Mimi's Corner. Today we bring you fresh developments from Federal High Court in Abuja, where the case involving the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, Nnamdi Kanu, once again took the center stage. This morning, the court delivered a crucial ruling on Kanu's no-case submission, a legal move by his defense team asking the court to dismiss the charges against him on the grounds that the prosecution has failed to establish any case worthy of a defense. Justice James Omotosho, who presided over the matter, carefully reviewed arguments from both sides. According to the judge, the evidence presented by the prosecution, including testimonies from witnesses and various exhibits tendered before the court, was sufficient to establish a prima facie case, meaning a case strong enough, at least on the surface, to require the defendants to respond. As a result, the court ruled that Nnamdi Kanu cannot be discharged at this stage, but must instead open his defense to address the allegations brought against him. Wow. For context, Kanu has been standing trial on charges bordering on terrorism and incitement. His arrest and subsequent detention has sparked widespread debates, drawing reactions not only from across Nigeria but also from the international community, where questions of human rights, due process and freedom of expression continue to be raised. The defense team in its motion had argued strongly that the federal government failed to link Nnamdi Kanu directly to the alleged offences. They maintained that the prosecution had not provided credible evidence and therefore urged the court to throw out the case entirely. But the judge disagreed, saying it was premature to dismiss the charges. Premature? This case has been going on since when? Almost 10 years now. Premature? Really? Without allowing Kanu to present his own side. With this ruling, the court has now scheduled another sitting. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. How long will they keep adjourning this case and adjourning and adjourning? And this man says he has a health condition, he has a heart condition, and he needs to visit the hospital, that the hospital in DSS custody cannot treat him. People are saying he wants to run away. Oh, he wants to run away. That was how he escaped to Kenya the other time. Let this man have access to medical care. Because what is going to happen if something happens to this man in prison? I cannot even begin to imagine the kind of things that are going to happen, because I don't understand. Let him go to the hospital. No. Case since 2015, nothing. Allow this man go. No. Why? Now you are scheduling another sitting for October 8th, 2025. You are going to be waiting. When Nnamdi Kanu will be expected to formally begin his defense. So since he has not begun any defense, it is well, this country, This development is significant because a no-case submission is often used as a way to test whether the prosecution's evidence is strong enough to proceed. If the court agrees with the defense, the case ends immediately, and the defendant walks free. But if the court, as in this instance, rules otherwise, it means the trial moves into another critical phase. Which critical phase? You know this watch movie. I watched a Korean movie the other day. Once you have a court case, it is that same day they are going to listen to everything and they are going to rule on the matter immediately. There is nothing like adjournment. If you have a court problem, say immediately they've charged you to court, fast, they've answered everything. But in this country, 10 years you are still on it, like this one. 10 years on top one matter. It is well. It is well. For many observers, today's ruling is another turning point in a case that has spanned years, generating heated discussions about Nigeria's unity, the right of self-determination, and the powers of the judiciary in politically sensitive matters. It also means that the spotlight will once again be on the courtroom in the weeks ahead, as both the defense and prosecution prepare for what is expected to be a tense continuation. As always, Mimi's Corner will continue to follow this story closely, bringing you updates as they unfold. For now, that's the latest on Nnamdi Kanu's court appearance and the dismissal of his new case submission. Thank you for tuning in. Please don't forget to like, to share and subscribe. And please leave your thoughts in the comment section. What do you think? Thank you for listening. Bye.